Good morning, California, or afternoon, or evening, or whatever floats your boat at this particular hour. I am currently on my way to Forest Falls. No, scratch that. I'm currently on my way to Yucaipa to meet up with some friends to go to Forest Falls. It is quite bleak out today, so I don't think that will stop us, though. Let's go. So I finally met up with Kevin and Jackie, and we're going to Forest Falls now. It's raining though. Not really, I lied. But it's gonna rain, oh my god.
Oh my god, I don't want to get wet. I don't want to ruin my hair.
What do you want? Can I get 2 large, and can I get a number 22 also? Orange juice, the jumbo platter. And then can I get a large Sprite also? Can you put no eggs on that actually?
Sausage.
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 Remember, anyone watching this video, wallets are needed at all times.
Wallets are needed. Check. So we're in the general store right now. We gotta get an adventure pass. What are you gonna get, Jackie?
I'm gonna get a piece of candy.
Dude, you need to check out all the candy they have here. They have such old school candy. Look at it. They got punch straws. They got like the original ones, I think. Semi-original. Like they even have these things. Look at that.
Whoa, what are these?
I've never even heard of those.
These are cool. I kind of want them.
Shoes. Ew.
I've never seen these before.
They have such good candy here. Oh my god. Packet.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get closer to it.
Hold on.
Oh, here, wait. You know what we have to do? Hold the cash in one hand. Get down on your knee.
I'm gonna hold out the $10 unnecessarily too.
No. Here. I'll hold the $10. Hold the pass in this hand, and we gotta do line.
Oh.
Kevin, what is that right there? What is it?
That's a lie.
So we made it to Forest Falls. It's pretty cold right now, and it's kind of raining. But that's not gonna stop us. Hey, look at them.
Hi.
Look at the X's.
Oh my.
The water here is really clear. It's really nice.
Yeah, it really is, huh?
That's nice.
Does this lead to a bigger waterfall?
Yeah,
No,
we're
this is
gonna come walk this way, and it's walking.
Oh, we got a sign? We found a sign, oh my god. We're going towards the waterfall right now, and it's still kind of raining, so I'm putting my camera away every time it rains, which is like right now. Be right back. Oh my god, I almost tripped. So it's really cold out here. So to keep our hands warm, we have towels in our pockets because none of us brought gloves because we did not know it was going to be this cold. But it's really cool up here. Look at all this fog right here. How beautiful is that? Go.
Shit's getting real at the forest. No!
Look how cool this tree is right here. Look at that. Oh man. I have to put my camera away, it's raining, but look at, this is so cool. Oh, look at Jackie. So I can take the easy route right there, or I can take the fun route. I will choose the latter. Oh my god, I almost fell. Look how cool this is. Oh. Probably pretty dangerous, but it's okay. I'm a professional. I'm getting like water all over my camera because it's raining right now, but I can't help it. There's just so much cool stuff to explore out here. Look at this waterfall. Look at that. It's amazing. My camera's so wet right now though. Oh my god. Oh, my camera's getting soaked right now. But like, yeah, it is. Oh man. We finally made it to the top. My camera's getting soaked. The water's hitting us. But look at, we finally made it. Aren't you guys so happy? Oh, look, other people. So I had to find a place with cover because it's raining right now. They thought they could find a faster way down than me. Explorer. Is it about to get real?
It's about to get real.
It's about to get real.
It's been fake up until now.
Nothing has been real. It's been all imaginary. So I'm filming on my phone right now because Kevin's using my camera to take a picture of his girlfriend. Right there. Good. And look at
Go one closer.
This is the camera setup right there to protect it from the water. Get my towel off there. Okay. We're heading back to the car right now. Took a lot of great pictures out here. There we are right there. We're gonna just head back, get warm, get some more food maybe, and then see where the day goes from there. Kevin's trespassing. Okay, go.
You guys need anything from downstairs?
Maybe a soda.
Okay.
All the way to the car. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Where's that one?
Oh, get it.
Raindrops in my eye. Raindrops in my eye.
Oh my god. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it! Yes!
No!
Oh, so close. How far were we? The car is right there. Oh my god, so close.
What a disappointment.
Alright, finally made it back home. It was a lot of fun. Despite the rain, it was a lot of fun. My camera got a little wet, but it's okay. I know I keep complaining about that. But yeah, a little rain doesn't hurt nobody. So it was a lot of fun. I'm probably gonna head in, probably just go to sleep soon because I'm pretty tired. I had to plan for my trip to Canada, which is in like 5 days, so I gotta pack and everything and all that fun stuff, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. So until then, stay traveling.